Here we've got Samsung Galaxy S22 Plus, and let me show you how to add photo to contact on this device. So first of all, just open your phone dialer, then select contact that you would like to add this profile picture to, click on information and then select edit. And now if you want to add this profile picture, click on camera icon, and you can either pick something from your gallery, grab a picture with your camera, or choose some AR emoji or a sticker. It's up to you. So for example, if you'd like to pick sticker, here we've got all the options. If you want to choose your gallery, just mark it and then select the picture that you would like to add. And for example, let me pick this one. Tap on done, save, and that's it. From now on, this picture is assigned to Lily, to this contact, so anytime she will be calling you, you will be able to see her profile picture at first. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.